Hi Pisces, this is your monthly reading for the month of October 2024. This is for the zodiac sign, strictly for the zodiac sign of Pisces. And I'm going to look at energies in your personal life, professional life, your health, and what's your outcome. And totally, this reading will be kept by a Gypsy Lenormand card so that we know exactly what is happening, what is coming to you in this month. So, in your environment, that is your relationship situation, Ace of Cups. So, Ace of Cups is a good new beginning, feelings of self love as well. You are understanding your own abilities, your own self in a relationship in this time period, and you are experiencing pure love, you are experiencing pure happiness and improvements in your love life. There could be a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you are taking fast measures in love, or a person in your life comes in and gives you immediately gives you relief or good feelings. There could be talking happening with the Knight of Swords energy. So fast talking with a person, fast intervention happens with this person. So there is intellectual engagement with a person. With the Six of Swords, you have come out of situations in your love life that were traumatic, and now you are moving on to better situations in your personal relationships in this time period. So with these Seven of Wands, you are reserved, you are on a higher ground. Generally in life, you are maintaining a higher position above others. So basically, you are looking after yourself in this time period, keeping the challenges at bay. So you have maintained this position by keeping aloof from people, trying to maintain your situation by being reserved. So the Star and the Justice card is telling me that generally in life, in this time period, optimism will be overpowering every negative thinking in your life. And with the Justice card, there could be resolution of a legal financial matter after a long time. It is going to bring a certain amount of satisfaction in your life and hope in your life. So Pisces, you are going to have a balanced situation in the month of October, and you will have definitely hopes for better financial situation, better career situation, better life situation. Some of you could be moving towards engagement or marriage in life. Some of you are resigning for a better job in this time period. Some of you are getting a formal offer in this time period from a prospective work places. So this is a very good situation for you, and you must enjoy what you have earned. So basically, karma, justice, and hope is coming to you in this time period. With the Ace of Swords, there is a possibility of a new line, new path, new idea, new realization in this period. So in terms of love, you could be dealing with a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, a King of Swords, and a Queen of Wands. So this could be a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or you are approaching your love situation with great intellectual power, reasonable mindset, and passion in this time period, and taking every opportunity of talking to your lover, or you could be looking attractive or intelligent in this time period. With the Ten of Cups, you will be having great success in love. You could be having great relationships in personal life in this time period, whether it is your marriage, whether it is your with a close person, whoever is on your mind, you are going to have opportunities and success in your love situation. In terms of your career or financial situation, new opportunities or new talks could be starting. You could be talking out with someone who might be giving you opportunities of new partnership. Eight of Pentacles is telling me you could be working hard on situations. You could be showing your craftsmanship. You will be working in detail in this time period, making efforts to make your economy better. You could be getting an opportunity, the Ace of Pentacles. So some new beginning is starting, because in your environment, that is your love life or personal relationship, Ace of Cups is coming. In your general life, Ace of Swords is coming. So a new start is visible, self love, new love is visible, and Ace of Pentacles is showing an opportunity can convert with your hard work or effort, or you're talking with someone. With the Nine of Cups, in your professional situation, you could be achieving some kind of individual liberation, leadership, and wishes in your career situation can be fulfilled in this time period. So, in terms of health, I see some bad situations had happened in the past with the Ten of Swords, or in this time period only you could be going through some health problems. But with the Moon and the Ten of Swords, it is, already over, and you could be doubtful about your health situation. So what it is telling you is to water your body, give hydration to your body, take advice from doctors, get into a proper regimen, rather than living in some kind of illusion that nothing will happen to me, because the Fool card is here. So the Fool card is taking unnecessary risk with your health situation. So you are sometimes under illusions, or there could be hidden problems in your health. So you have to look after your health by hydrating yourself, doing exercise, yoga, or taking professional help in your health situation. So let's see what's happening in your romantic life. There could be a codependent relationship. So you could be addicted to this person, or you could be thinking obsessively about this person. So this kind of addiction or codependency is affecting your romantic life. So you are always calling in your soulmate. So if you really feel about your soulmate, your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations will help you to bring your partner towards you, bring your partner towards you, bring you towards your partner, so there can be mutual meeting. Some of you could be your love life will be ascending, so to a higher level of commitment. Some of you are going to finally commit to the person you are calling in as your soulmate. So give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership in this time period. So everything is positive in your love life, except for being totally dependent on the person you love. You are mentally at least dependent on this person. So maybe you are giving away your power, but whatever it is, as long as this relationship continues, I wish you all the best. So your outcome in this time period, in the month of October, is the Six of Cups. So this is harmonious outcome. This is about being having familiarity, harmony, good soulmate relationship, having some kind of a love that is, very, very pure, good, and soulmate like. And in terms of job, you will remain where you are in this time period. You are not going to exactly make big moves, but then it's looking like a very harmonious time for you. The month of October in India, October is full of festivals all around the world. Actually, this is time for celebration. So let's look at the Lenormand card. 16 number card, the stars card is coming to you, Pisces. So good business numbers, encouraging results of all the work, and you could be flirting a bit with people. So think positively, optimism will halve your problem. The key event of the month concerns your feelings. You have found the right strategy now, and the results are constantly getting effective, whether it is your personal or professional life. Invitations, gifts, and pleasant moments will be shared with your loved one. Luck is shining on your side. Take a break and enjoy it. So in terms of love, you have met the special person who has captured your heart. The person you think about gives an encouraging signal. An invitation or sign of interest from a person you have just met will pleasantly surprise you. Your patience will be rewarded in love. A love story will emerge. So, whether it is a new love, whether it is an old love, whether it is with a soulmate, with a partner, life partner, things will be in harmony. In terms of your professional life, you have attained excellent results and you want to maintain the achieved level. You are involved in an exhausting but deserving business deal or some kind of judicial matter. Unexpected change of environment can come to you in this time period. Complete success is possible in this time period. A sudden stroke of luck can take you higher. So it will not be disruptive. Rather, the changes in your professional life will be constructive in this time period. In terms of money, you will be doing well. You will be carrying out lucrative transaction, and some of you will be winning inheritance or property, or your account will be topped. So you will be succeeding in your investments as well. So this is a good reading, I think, Pisces. So I wish you all the best for this month, and keep enjoying these readings which I post for you regularly. And please do like, share, and subscribe. Write to me if you want to. My email ID is there in the description box. You write to me when, if you really need a personal reading, then only you can just request one. I will then tell you how to book my readings. And please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and you can also donate to the channel through the super thanks icon just below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.